Nice.
Hi all, welcome back again to Christine's Travel and Culinary. Hope everyone doing fine, and yeah, hope everyone always stay safe and keeping healthy. So don't forget, always drink a lot of water to make you not dehydrated. By the way, today I'm going to show you how to cook Vietnamese po noodle as a main course, and Samarol Vietnamese as a starter. So yeah, just stay tuned and keep watching. Hi, here we go. Process, I'm going to show you how to make Vietnamese Samarol. This is like made of rice, yeah. It's brown thing. So all I have to do, you put this into the water, maybe about 4 or 5 minutes, maybe less, yeah, 10 or 3. Just not, actually it's not still hard, little bit soft, yeah. The Samarol come from Vietnam, originally. It's very nice when you eat this kind of light. It's not too much like really heavy meal, so you can eat as a starter. So I'm going to show you later with this Samarol. We just prepared these 3 prawn, and also Thai basil and coriander. But if you don't have if you can't find any Thai basil, you can replace it with mince, yeah. And also we're going to put this one later. There is lettuce. The lettuce, the way you cut, not very fine cut, but you slice just like big chunk like this, exactly like this, okay? And I'm going to show you how to roll it, yeah? You take this this lettuce, and take like 3 of cucumber, 3 or 4, depend on how big you're gonna make it. And this is later on, this is for the sauce, yeah guys? You need a chili. But if you don't like so hot, you can use this only 1 chili. And then 2 garlic, and then palm sugar, or Indonesian called gula melaka, whatever, gula merah, and with a slice of lemon, and fish sauce, don't forget at the end, and then lots of peanut. You could also actually get like peanut not ready cooked, but I prefer the cooked one because it's easy. You just crush them all together, you know, without less cooking, yeah, not too much hassle. Okay guys, now I'm going to start from here. This is when the roll is already soft. Just gentle, bring it down to the middle, yeah, and take this. Sorry, maybe this is too big. Just put like this. Right? And put this inside, in the middle, the cucumber, right? And this is actually this one first. Vermicelli, not too much. Maybe vermicelli first, guys. Sorry. And then on the top with cucumber, yeah. And all you have to do, you fold it from the back first. That is. Bring once, only once, slowly, yeah, like that. And take this prawn. It depends how many prawn you like. If you're really hungry, maybe just put 3. If you really just like kind of, you know, if you're not enough room into this what you call this roll, you can just put it 2. And then take a couple of Thai basil, right, like that, and then also 1 of coriander. Then now I'm going to show you how to fold it, yeah? Slowly. Oops. And then, that's it. This is done. So you have to put it away into the pudding plate. Later you're going to eat this. just gonna show. Now I'm going to show you how to make this sauce, yeah. If you couldn't find any, well, you want less cooking for the peanut, you could get peanut butter. Okay. Take 2 of garlic. I'm going to mash it, yeah. Smash it. Or if you don't have this type of mortar, this flat one, that is originally I took it from Indonesia, you could also actually get it any shop in Asian shop, the big one, you know, the metal big one. It's very easy to get it. But if you don't want too much, you know, well, too hard to scratch this, you could actually blender. But blender doesn't taste nicer than you squash it with this stone, yeah. I just leave it with the what you call? I'll leave it with the seed because it's nice. Okay, now I'm going to squash it with some salt. Just tiny salt, yeah, just pinch like that, because later on I'm going to use this one, fish sauce, right? You don't need to squash this very soft one. You just smash this like this hard one, yeah. Doesn't matter. Because later on you're gonna mix it with peanut anyway. I like a bit rough actually. So you can see real hot chili. Now I'm going to smash this. What you call rusty peanut. Maybe it's like about one big full of what you call this is full of pen. Right. After this, I'm going to put in the bowl, and don't forget also slice of gula melaka or palm sugar. If you can't find the palm sugar, you can replace it with brown sugar, like this one, the soft one. Yeah, but I prefer use this palm sugar. Because taste also is good. When you make any Asian food, always use palm sugar, guys. Right. And it's only like maybe like 1 teaspoon of palm sugar, yeah. Right. Now I'm gonna splash this again together with the chili and peanut. Right, almost done. So you don't need to be very smooth. Just a bit rough is nice. Because this is for dipping for Vietnamese roll, yeah? Right. Now I'm going to transfer to the bowl. And I just with a little bit fish sauce and what you call that one, lime or lemon. You can get lime or lemon. Lime is actually better, yeah? Because it's a bit sour, more sour actually than the lemon one. Right. Now don't forget to use this sauce. maybe the sauce is about 1 teaspoon, yeah? Right. Not too much, otherwise it's too salty. Remember, this sauce is very salty. And then just squish off lemon. Make sure the lemon's not, well, the seed is not always inside, yeah? Or you could this actually with star anise or what you call cinnamon or any kind of, you know, stuff with Vietnamese juice, or you just easy cook or less preparation. You just get this from Chinese shop or Oriental shop, Chinese 5 spice. So all I have to do, guys, I'm going to put this one into the soup that I'm making early today. So I'm making the broth chicken soup. Yeah. See? Later on, I'm going to take it out of this chicken and I'm going to slice this. Then I stir with noodle and bean sprout. Just put it these 5 Chinese spices. 1 teaspoon, yeah? Not too much. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to slice this ginger, garlic. Right, now I'm going to put this one into the soup, yeah? Just transfer to the soup, guys. Also, don't forget into the soup you put also this coriander early and spring onion and salt, maybe like 1/2 tablespoon salt, and also chicken stock. Right? But if you don't like chicken stock, actually chicken is already quite tasty, yeah? This is later, this stock, this broth, I'm going to put it into the noodle. I'm gonna taste this one, how it tastes like. Don't forget, always put this coriander. Thai basil is very good. This is so good. And then yeah, squish it with this lemon. Oops. Not much, just putting it one, yeah. And then you like with the chili oil from Chinese, you could add it up as well, just tiny bit like that. And then sriracha, Thai chili sauce. Oops. Just come up. Not much. Okay. And don't forget soya, dried soya as well, depend how it tastes like. Not really salty. And put some more with the sauce. Okay. Just tiny bit. It's quite salty, only from light soya. And then I always like Indonesian original ABC. I recommend this. It's the best. It's from my country, from Indonesia. I always mix it up. Wherever I go, travel around the world, I always carry this sambal ABC. Or chili ABC. Nice, spicy. Alright, now you have to mix all together this noodle like this. Make it this good. Right. Now I'm going to taste this noodle. How it tastes like. If you're not enough lemon, you can add some lemon as well. see how it tastes like. Quite sweet sour actually.
Nice.
Oh, I almost forgot. I should have introduced to you. This is my Vietnamese summer roll. I made it early. So you eat one of these and dipping to the sauce. Right? I'm gonna take a sweat into it. This, just put it here, guys. Okay. Now I'm ready to eat. So I'll suggest this food. Vietnamese is really healthy and light. It's not too heavy, yeah, and good especially for summer. Quite light, especially summer. Okay. Leave your comment below, like and subscribe, and your feedback